Hi, welcome to lesson number 6, finger exercises. Our main objective is that by the end of this lesson, you are expected to use proper finger positions to play your guitar effectively. Let us take our guitar and begin. To begin, let us look at the fretboard. Earlier on, we said that there are 12 frets from the first position to these two dots here. We count them. If you count, you get 12. So let's quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 frets. Now, these 12 frets can be divided into 3. But before we continue, we are going to use these fingers. This is going to be called finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, and then finger 4. Our thumb remains the thumb. Good. Now, since we have 4 here, divide the frets into 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then proper handling, the proper technique or the proper way of handling the guitar. Good. Each finger is in one fret. Very good. So this is the first 4. Then you go to the middle 4. It's like this. The middle 4 is like this. And then the last 4. So we are doing them 4 by 4. Also, begin practice with a metronome. Since we are beginners, we are going to use a metronome set to 80 beats per minute. 80 beats per minute. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. That is 80 beats per minute. What we are going to do is that at the count of every 4, we play one note. Pick up your guitar and let's go. You can use a picker or you can use your finger. Quickly, let's use a picker. Then we will also use the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. At the count of every 4 beats, we play one note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's do the same to the string B. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The string G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. String D. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. String A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. String E, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So you'll be doing this. You'll be doing this. Don't rush for speed. You do this from the bottom here to the top. Then you do some stretching. You do stretching. Okay? You do stretching. Then you pick up your guitar and then you continue. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. String B, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. String G, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. String D, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. String A, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. String E, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. You do this until your hands begin to notice their positions very well. Okay, so you do this at least 10, as many times as you can. Okay, so we are doing this at every 2 beats. We play one note. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. You do this, then you relax a while. Okay, you do relax, then do some stretching. Then at every beat, at every 1 beat you hear, you're going to play one note like this. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Good. Let's do it again. 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. These exercises will help your fingers to be very strong and then flexible on the guitar. That's for the first 4 frets. Let's move on to the second 4 frets. The same exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, play it downwards. Then you come to the last 4, the same exercise. Very good. Do this exercise as many times as you can. Do this exercise as many times as you can. Then you come back here to the first position. This time you're going to do 1 4 1 3 1 2. For example, 2 3 go. Let's play it again. Again. Do it on the second string. Go. Again. Again. Do them until you get to the 6th fret. Then you come to the middle here. Then you come to the last stage here. When you come to the last stage, it looks like this. Good. Do these exercises every day to develop your accuracy. It will help you a lot. It will also strengthen your fingers.